I'm in this shop, they're hustling to eat a day. Nowhere to sell market again. There is no customers, and I have many goods to sell, but there is no customers. I don't know what I will do again. Please, men, help us.
I own one of the demolitions. We were doing our business in peace before this demolition took place. A lot of people stole our goods during the demolition. With this business, I help my family. Now, I don't know where to keep my merchandise.
I'm
the chief security of this place for over 20 years. Since the day that the demolition started, my family barely sees me. I'm not happy with the demolition. I'm terrified because everything in this place is under my watch.
I spent 26 years doing this business at Eid Praying Ground. If you look at this demolition from two angles, you can say it is good and bad. It's bad because several people lost their shops. On the flip side, I am happy. Why? Because at the time they built the shops, they had the intention of expelling us from the place. But now I am comfortable. This demolition does not affect my business in any way.
I don't own a shop. I'm the only Maggi Star distributor in this market. I'm not happy with the demolition. I pray Allah to provide us with a place where we will continue with our businesses.
I am a mechanic. I have spent over 40 years as a mechanic in this place. We have been begging not to be expelled. That is why we are not happy with the building. This is where we've spent 40 years of our career, but one day they started harassing us and ordered the police to arrest us. I'm very happy with this demolition because we are now living in tranquility. By the grace of God, this government will provide us with a place where we can continue with our businesses. This is the government of the people. I spent over 23 million while building my shop. We bought the land from Kano, Emirates. This demolition has affected my business because I don't have any shop now. And most of my merchandise were stolen by scavengers during the demolition. We beg the governor to fear Allah and help us.
I've been here for 4 years now. We are paying here at this rate. Like now, I just paid about 3 weeks ago before this thing starts. We are paying 400,000. I just paid 400,000 naira about 3 weeks ago. So the next thing we see that as new governor enter, they come and mark here that we should pack out. And as I have nowhere to go. So if you can see now, the shop is canty.
I do my business at the Hale Playing Ground. I sell plastic buckets. My business partner and I are in a very terrible situation that we find ourselves in. We have nothing to say, but we belong to Allah, and to Him we shall return. We are sad because we spent 20 million naira building the shop. This demolition has affected my business because whoever knew this place knows I will start our business from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. But see what is happening.
Before coming in, part of their blueprint and part of what they have been campaigning on is that once they come in, lands allocated to people, the lands that are allocated with that have to do with prayer grounds, graveyards, areas of schools, and then areas of cultural heritage that we have, Kano Wall, we call it Badala, that they are going to revoke it. And I can vividly remember that it took them about 3 years campaigning that whosoever is going to buy these lands, he should know that he is buying it at his own risk.
It's laughable because this policy is not popular. It's not popular in the sense that, you know, it hit the considerable number of people that are doing business in Kano. And you know, the Kano is a commercial nerve center. 80% of people in Kano are getting their bread and water through businesses, different type of businesses. And all these structures that were pulled down are owned by businessmen.